Well, the entire staff for a program dedicated to keeping utilities running for low-income individuals were fired this week as part of the restructuring of the Department of Health and Human Services. The Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, or LIHEAP, distributes funds to help people pay to heat and cool their homes and prevent utilities from being shut off. Well, tonight, 6 News reporter Naomi Hilmer is on your side, learning how jeopardizing this program could impact East Tennesseans. Naomi.
Bo, according to the Knox County Community Action Committee, over 8,000 residents benefited from the LIHEAP last year, with organization doling out over $5.9 million to utility bills. But with the program's future hanging in the balance, Social Services Director Amy Whitworth tells me losing this money could be detrimental or even life-threatening for some residents.
Our senior citizens are especially vulnerable because they are on fixed incomes. And with a fixed income, if your utilities goes sky high, then they then have to choose between, well, are they going to eat or are they going to pay their utilities?
Whitworth says shutting off utilities can be grounds for eviction for those in subsidized housing. And for people who use medical equipment that runs off power, like some oxygen tanks do, the result could be much more harmful.
That is a life-threatening situation, especially if they don't have an alternate source to be able to keep that oxygen flowing for them.
Besides powering essential equipment and keeping a roof over their heads, Whitworth also says LIHEAP funding allows seniors to have more financial freedom.
The assistance that this provides helps to free up the other funding that they can use for their other life situations and other needs that they have.
And with 75% of CAC's funding coming from federal grants and programs, she says any cut would have an impact on their services.
This is not our first rodeo with these types of situations, so I personally feel certain as a CAC program director that we will do everything we can to help in mitigating the effect of anything that comes down from cuts from the federal government.
Tells me currently the CIC is continuing with their LIHEAP services as normal, and they have not received any information on what these staff cuts will do to the utility program just yet. Bo?